It's relaxing to think, hanging out with your family while drinking your favorite wine on your patio. Or splashing water on your newly built swimming pool surrounded by pavers. Investing in a new patio, chances are, you want something new with your outdoor spaces. Or you'd just like to renovate your patio with new and unique designs. Whenever the reasons for your remodeling, paver patios are the modern designs for most homeowners. Besides, being trendy and modern, paver will increase home value to your home. When it comes to customizing your patio, you want to make sure that you're working with the right contractors. Spokane Pavers is one of the best in this industry. They will help you in your renovation and they offer quality services that your money's worth. We don't want to waste the trust and opportunity that our client gives us. That is why we ensure we're doing our best to give astonishing results in every project. Aside from that, we're expanding our customers' ideas by providing them tips and designs that will help them bring lots of unique designs. Same old doesn't exist in our services. Professional tips to give the best paver patio designs. To keep our customers' smiles and satisfaction, here are some tips that will help you pick the right designs for patios. This will be your first thing to consider when your mind is fully decided to renovate your patios with pavers. Mixed up materials. Don't settle for one design and color, try to match up your design into your environment. Use mixed materials to blend different materials such as the use of stones. This will give a lot of visual interest to your project. Mixing up the designs will provide unique and stylish results. Another thing is the texture. You can also mix and match the appearance that resembles one color in one another. Paver sizes can also break down the tedious look when you mix up, also add a lot of interest to your patio. Consider unique patterns. As you consider mixing up the materials, you might also need to consider the unique patterns. The common layering of pavers can make a monotonous look on your patio. Utilizing the right pattern for your patio project can give a huge elegant sense to your designs. Additionally, you can also add some personal information like the initial of your name on your landscape. This will add eccentric style. And that is the good thing about pavers. You can customize and add your personal touch to your design to make your patio more unique and special. Incorporate borders and banding. Borders and edges also add interest to your patio. A common row would do the job for the borders. But, what is good about pavers is that you don't need to be confined to a single border. You can get creative and add a double or triple layer for borders with different colors. Also, some homeowners add banding across their patio that will increase the aesthetic appeal. Banding and borders work well with retaining walls and fire pits. If you have a fire pit on your patio, try to give your pits a paver border to make them stand out and pop in the center. Creativity with color. Aside from the mixed matching of the patterns and materials, you can also get creative in blending the colors. Lighter colors are always good with small outdoor spaces, giving them a spacious look and makes them feel bigger. Dark color gives a dramatic look to your patio and also recommended for patios that receive heavy foot traffic. A dark color will prevent the dust and dirt to show, but it is also the most common color design for patios. It is highly recommended to incorporate multiple colors into your designs. Hiring the best patio design construction to finish the job. While there are many companies offering renovations, the executing of the ideas and designs will depend on the company you hire. The truth is, designing and executing patios or using pavers material will require more time and skilled individuals. If you want a professional in the industry, you can call our team to get the job done for you. We offer our expertise at competitive rates. Our team has the knowledge that will ensure that you are working with the right one. Choose your contractors wisely. Choose Spokane Pavers.